Hello and welcome. My name is Ashish Behel, and this is part of the series that we are doing where we are speaking about touring motorcycles and speaking to riders with enormous amounts of experience on some of the favorite bikes that India has seen. Welcome Anuj, welcome Shashank.
Hi.
Thank you.
The RE500,
Yes.
the bike which many say, and this is where both of you come in because both of you own the 500s.
Yeah,
Is this the bike that could have been legend?
I believe it is still a legend.
But it's not. They've discontinued it for some reason.
It was a shocker for us to discontinue such a legendary bike, and it's a love of hearts for a lot of riders like me, like him. If a Royal Enfield, now there are many options available, but still this remains first and the last love.
Why? Dive right into it. You've ridden a 350 for a long time.
I done more than 1.5 lakhs on that 350.
So 1.5 lakhs and so between the 350 and the 500, why do you like the 500 so much?
While doing hills like Spiti, Ladakh, never felt like I'm throttling. I have to push this bike. No, never. There was no shortage of power whatsoever was required on those slopes, those inclines. It was like Makhan. All those hills. I saw cars, diesel cars coming back, and on a second gear, I was going like dug 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 dug.
I've ridden your bike and I know what you're saying. For a 200 approximate kilos motorcycle, it doesn't feel that it's terribly short of power.
Yes.
Because when this came out, of course today the rate of change in motorcycles is so fast. The bikes are becoming lighter, they're becoming faster, but yet this occupies a special place in people's. What do you think, Anuj? Could the 500? Do you miss the fact that they've discontinued this model?
I'm really surprised why they did that. 500 is a segment which is above all. And yes, of course, you introduced 650 and you wanted to promote 350, but again, 350 love was never ended. And you came up with 500. Earlier, it was much more than classic 500. And again, a beautiful bike, as Shashank said, no problems in terrains like Spiti or Ladakh. The only good thing which I really felt about this bike, the moment I bought it, I was riding 350 earlier, and then suddenly I came on 500 Classic, and there is superb change. Suddenly from 80 you can go to 110 on a longer route, and you need that speed. On 80 kilometers you cannot do a long journey. We did that because there was no option.
No option.
So we did that, but amazingly 500 came into the picture, and when you sat on that bike, amazingly, you're crossing miles in a matter of few hours. So it is a heart shocking for me that they discontinued 500. I'm hoping that they might come up with a good CC engine in the same bike.
See, you raised a crucial point. Now that the Indian motorcycling market is becoming so, it's action-packed.
Exactly.
And the 500cc category, so to speak, this created it.
Yeah.
There was this, and then there was the Thunderbird 500. I used to have the Thunderbird 500.
Right. I still have.
Superb. What I also remember is, to me, the 350, while yes, the looks are iconic, but the 350 seemed a little less on the grunt.
Exactly.
And the 500, and of course, this is, the J-Class engine is coming now. The 500cc engine or the 350cc engine, of what technology was available then. It bridged a beautiful gap that
Exactly.
it has the, as you said, that 80 to 110, or when you wanted to cruise,
You need that speed.
you were not short of power. And it's not that we go flying around at 100 all day. It's just that when you need the power, this had the power.
It is there in that bike, and I don't know why they discontinued it. The best part with 500, I realized so many times when you are such a train. I drove this bike to, a place where there's no road. I'm so blessed. I rode till Gunji, just beyond 48 kilometers from Adi Kailash. I cannot tell in words what kind of a, terrain it was. And I was on my classic 500. And never felt that there is something wrong with the bike. Never.
So, reliving the legend. Let's start with you, Shashank. Tell us a story that we all want to hear.
There are, every time, what we say is, no ride, no stories, So, we keep on riding, we keep on getting stories every time. I have very fond memories of my Spiti ride. Spiti ride was something, which I did for challenging myself with my fear of height.
Oh,
so, I never dared to going on hills on 350 with my previous Electra. The moment this came in my life, I have, become a very, every 2 months I'm in hills.
fantastic.
So, that particular thing of hills completely changed my overlook about Royal Enfield. I'll tell you why, it became a legend for me.
Yeah.
For me, I was always riding 350, throttling here and there on, Rajasthan roads, which are, like inviting, you throttle, or Gujarat roads. The moment this came in my life, hills became very easy for me. And I was not too much of away from my previous 350 experience as well. It was only that the only power was added and the legend still remains of, the thing with which I started learning bike. Yes, obviously
So this could handle slopes easily?
Oh, very fair.
Very nice.
Very nicely.
Then it's
Very nicely.
What about the maintenance?
So people say that it is हाथी पालने का शौक है तो बुलेट रखो, but to me it has never been like a हाथी पालना. For me, if you do a regular service of this bike, proper regular service, I haven't spent till date any extra pennies other than regular services. Till
There
date.
is one part which
Till
is,
date.
which is a little, disheartening in this bike is the sprocket, chain sprocket.
It's probably the weight.
That's the first
because
chain
of the-
sprocket. 40,000 kilometers already done.
You are great. I have almost lost within 4 years, I think 7 or 8 sprockets.
Wow.
Yeah.
Maybe it's but that particular.
And for this very first time from last year it was not much right because it was Corona. Last year I just changed one because modified spokes in my bike, and after that the problem is gone. Otherwise it is a major problem. Other than that, small things, brakes are there, of course you need it. If you have those not disc brake, I have those drum brakes in my bike because it's a 2016 model 18. He is lucky he got a disc brake pad system in his bike. Otherwise,
Yeah,
oil
it needs-
change and all those things are there, and which is very much necessary. Otherwise, there is no major issue in the bike.
Yeah.
Only
People
the vibration.
say, I used to hear stories. अरे 500 ले लेगा ना, तू तो सर्विस सेंटर में ही खड़ा रहेगा.
No. not like-
Touch wood, I say. Other than regular servicing, I have never been to service stations.
I know what you're saying. That's why we are discussing this. The 500 could have been legend. It is actually quite legendary. It's just that they've discontinued the production, and yet their amount of love for this model, because it bridged a fabulous gap between the 350 and in combination with the TB500. So if you wanted that classic,
Exactly.
high handlebar position, the TB500. I still have very fond memories of my TB500 because with that bucket seat and a slightly lower seat, the way you are connected to that motorcycle.
Let me tell you a beautiful story about TB500.
Please.
I bought it in 2013. 2013, like couple of months back, I went to Kedarnath. I was trying to go to Kedarnath, and suddenly I've been stopped at. I was going from a longer route from Lansdowne side. I was stopped at Podi. There is a flood, and that was 2013 flood. I came back from Podi, again from the Lansdowne side, again back to the Rishikesh. It took me almost, let me tell you, 20 hours to reach to Delhi. It was raining heavily.
Oh, wow.
I crossed 6 nalas on my Thunderbird. 6 nalas on Thunderbird. Till tank there was water. And again, you need expertise to cross those nalas when they are flooded.
Yeah.
And thanks to God, because of that bike, I say that I am here sitting with you, giving you an interview.
Fantastic.
It's that beautiful. The memory is so precious with that bike.
Since production for 500 is discontinued, is there any issue that you're facing of spare parts or?
No, never,
no.
never. No issues at all. Everything is available. You go nowhere. See, you go northeast, you go down south, you will find a mechanic, you will find the spare parts, you will find the engine oil, you will find everything of this motorcycle. There's no issues about it.
So let's see what happens. Never say never, because of what we hear. There are a few other multinational brands who one is already in the market with a 500cc, another one is coming. So the point I'm trying to reach to is, imagine a scenario in 6 months from now. There are 4 non-RE 500cc bikes. Then it will be interesting to see what RE does. Because see, there's a market for this.
Yes.
There are loyalists, there are fanboys.
See, for the timing, they don't have to worry about it.
Correct.
Let those bikes come into the market.
It will take time to
It
settle down.
will take time for them to settle down, of course.
And they're not coming at this price point. None of them.
And also they are different category, I believe.
Correct.
Yeah.
The main power of RE, let me tell you, sir, very clearly, बच्चा RE को खोल के ठीक करना जानता है, क्योंकि बचपन से करता आ रहा है.
Correct.
इतनी पुरानी बाइक हो चुकी है, इतने मैकेनिक्स हो चुके हैं, जगह जगह कोने पर आपको मैकेनिक मिल जाएगा, which of course it's a machine.
So from
और
a
मशीन खराब कभी भी हो सकती है.
no, from a touring rider's point of view, that seems to always be relevant. No, whether it's
When
Spiti
you're
that you were talking
riding,
about.
you first thing comes in your mind before going for a tour. What's the first thing comes in your mind is, what about if anything happens to your bike? Oh, no problem यार, स्पीति में मिल जाएगा, नीचे आ जाएगा, कोई ना
Exactly.
कोई मिल जाएगा. So
No,
no problem.
Spiti में तो अब सर्विस स्टेशन भी है.
हाँ, अब तो सर्विस स्टेशन
Service
खुल गया.
station there. And no, one more thing I like to add about this is, we are old school bikers, so the love for the thing which you have started learning or loving biking with, that
True.
love nobody can take away. This is an EFI engine, so the love for carburetor engines
It's a different
is still
story.
there. Oh, that thing is completely. I think that if Ari can.
I've been
think
told
about
when I was buying
an option.
See, riders
As
of
an option.
riders of our generation, we grew up on two-stroke and carburetor. It's a different world,
Let
a
me tell you
different
a
feel.
beautiful story about it. People
Please.
told me, highly experienced riders told me, "Arey, don't go with this bike. This is 500, or go with this bike. Change the carburetor. Come to the carburetor. You will face difficulties at the high altitudes. There will be this trouble, that trouble." Let me tell you, till date,
Absolutely.
I've
yeah.
done Khardungla so many times, and I cannot tell you. That is the most highest motorable road
Yes.
so far, highest altitude. I have not faced any kind of a problem. Single
Because
problem.
these are simpler bikes. Now the role of technology is limited.
Yeah.
Be with technology, of course, and that's what RE did. They came up with a good technology, and we loved it, and we are still in love with it.
So what are the next plans? Where are you going off next? On your
I'm planning
500.
a K2K.
Wow.
It's going long.
K2K.
Boy.
K2K will. How many days will it take? 20.
23 days. 3 days we have kept for spare, in case we need service in midway somewhere. But 20 days is exactly the time when we will finish it.
Anything you're planning to do to the bike, or this will go as
Only
is?
add a carrier so that I can carry my stuff. That's it.
Nice.
And believe in me, nothing extra, only regular service.
There's the jury is divided on that. Did 500 also give you the same kind of vibes as earlier 350s, or was it a lot better?
It's much better.
I feel this is improved a bit in terms of vibrations. It has reduced on this. This is a stealth black model. Previously with Electra, I faced a lot of vibration issues, but now
Well, of
it has
course, that
reduced a
is
lot.
one issue. Other than, of course, if you're going in a 350, there are different power sectors. Situation.
Correct.
Situations, yeah.
So where are you going off on your TB 500?
I am not on TV, but Classic 500 most probably, and it's all planned. Spiti and Leh Ladakh this time once again, and it's going to be a golden triangle once again. So
How many kilometers?
approximately 3,000 kilometers going and coming, and then you have a lot to travel in mountains, which you already multiply it with 3 when you are there and at that high altitude. So Siachen base camp this time.
Wow.
Hopefully, I'm getting the permission and we'll sit with some our Fauji bhais over there, click some pictures and come back.
Lovely. So just before we go away, one standout element of the 500 for you. So when I mean by standout element is prefer it in the mountains over tarmac, or given the weight and the center of gravity and the riding triangle, this performance on off-road, anything. See, your most every motorcycle and every rider has one particular aspect of the motorcycle that he loves the most. So which one is yours?
All-terrain bike for me. I have no issues riding this bike in sand dunes, in mountains, in any kind of a road you talk about. I have no issues. Balancing is perfect.
Yes.
Perfect balance bike.
So-
Power ratio is good. I cannot say very good, but good. Again, I need a better CC engine in the same bike. It's always preferable, but 500 will do everything for me.
Did the manufacturers get in touch with riders in general, not specifically you two, that we are going to be discontinuing this model?
No.
They are not coming. I don't know where they're going.
Before discontinuation, they never
No. They never
took
spoke
an
to
opinion.
any rider at all.
No social polls,
No, nothing. This
So maybe it was let's not second guess
is
them.
heart-softening for us.
Maybe it was a production issue or something, but
Let me tell you one
we
thing.
hear you, we feel the pain.
It might be a possibility. It's about, India is all about गाड़ी लेते हो भैया कितनी average देती है. This bike is not meant for average, let me tell
Absolutely.
you. If you're talking about
How much average were you getting?
20, 25, between 20, 25.
And on your 350 you were getting how much? 35?
40.
35, 40.
So average was a...
It's a huge difference. So
Yeah.
people prefer, भैया दग भी करना है, भट भी हो जाएगी और एवरेज भी मिल जाएगी. So if you are really looking for, see, we are riders.
Yeah.
We love to ride. I think we are born to ride. People just don't go with the slogan born to ride, but we born to ride.
We live to ride.
We live to ride. I do everything with riding. So for us, average is a secondary part. Most of the time people are asking me,
It's
भैया
only
कितनी
that
average
it is
देती है?"
only required to plan the budget for a ride. Rest, it does not come into picture anywhere.
Last question. See, RE has come a long way in the way they make motorcycles, and the Interceptor and the Continental 650 are testimonial to that, If, and this is just, trying to get a sense of where both of you stand on that, if there was a 500 going to be released sometime in the near future, with that kind of technology or that kind of refinement, would you prefer that or this?
I will keep again another bike. I will not sell it off.
So-
because
So we have 2 new customers in potential. It's just that somebody has to make
We will
it.
add it to the garage.
RE is not for sale.
Yes.
It is a legend. दादा खरीदे पोता भरते मेरे फादर ने खरीदी थी still with me. My son is riding it now. 71 model. मैं बाइक बेचने के लिए नहीं लेता हूँ.
That's
So it
such a-
will be another addition into the segment.
Such a beautiful thing to say.
Yeah, of course.
So guys, we are in conversation with Anuj and Shashank. Between the two of them, they have over 2.5-3 lakh kilometers on the 500 platform of Royal Enfield. This platform has been discontinued, sadly, and you hear the sound of lament and of regret, because this is why we made this video. According to us, and when we say according to us, this is always, the output is always based by what lots of riders keep telling us. So lots of riders reached out to us saying, please make a video on the 500, because this is a model that could have been legendary. It hit perfect sweet spots. Whatever was lacking in the 350, this bike seemed to have made it up. And as Anuj said, all-terrain bike. And as Shashank has taken this to all kinds of terrain. When a bike is performing, and understand, a sub 2 lakh platform, when you get such flawless performance and you get such deep emotional connects, it leaves the riders a little shortchanged, a little hard pressed to understand the reasons, while the manufacturer and maker's reasons, are theirs own. But it would help, if the community had been carried along, saying that, look here, this is what we have, that this is what we need to do. It's not that they need to take approval. Because of X, Y, Z reasons, we need to discontinue this model. But hey, rest assured, service, spares, etc. will be taken care of. That is what has left the riders feeling a little stone cold. But never say never. Who knows?
Who knows? They need to come back again.
Let's remain hopeful, because we have 2 new customers. If they were to launch another 500,
I'll give you thousands. Don't worry. There are.
And let us know your feelings on the 500 platform. Write into us. And if you like this video, please click like, share, and subscribe. And thank you for watching. Thanks, Shashank. Thanks, Anuj.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.